Cause, what we doing?
Oh man, we getting this studio up and running, baby. We working.
What are you doing right now?
Yo, I'm putting up some foam for the ceiling, some soundproofing. You know, we got the walls coming along really nice. Oh yeah.
What's the point of the different lengths of the foams?
Is diffuses the sound. It's sound you know, it reverberates a lot stronger if it's a solid surface. This diffuses the sound. The bounce back ain't the same. It kills the resonance, kills the reverb. So you know that's what we're doing. We're making it sound real nice up in here.
I got ahead of myself and I did majority of this wall before pressing record. It's looking amazing. That wall's completely done. Majority done. And this one too.
Whether we got SUV that day or not, at least that's done and ready to go.
What are we doing right now?
Oh, we you know, transferring the old studio to the new studio, you know? So we just picking up some stuff, some sound sheets, you know, some desks, equipment. Some equipment's there, but some still to go. And on to bigger and better, you're ready. Oh, this is your bag.
We made it back from the old studio to the Yonkers Studio with the mats for the walls.
Oh yes.
Cracking our first beers here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud, baby. We home. We home. Let me see where the small one at the door one. Oh, the door one is the heavy one. Nice. Yeah, it's the small one.
door, not a closed door.
It's huge, yeah. This is a much smaller door than that door.
Smaller door.